Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set due dates in Wrike step by step. If deadlines feel unclear or tasks keep slipping, this is how you fix that. Alright, first, open the task where you want to add a due date. You can click any task from your list, folder, or project. Once the task is open, look for the due date field. It's usually near the task title or in the task details panel. So this is where deadlines live. Click the calendar icon and choose a date. Pick a realistic deadline so the task can actually be completed on time. You can also add a start date. This is useful for tasks that shouldn't begin right away. It helps plan work more clearly. When assigning a task to someone, always set a due date at the same time. So the person knows exactly what's expected and by when. If plans change, you can update the due date anytime. Just click the date again and choose a new one. Nothing is locked here. To see deadlines clearly, switch to timeline or board view. This helps you spot overlaps and delays before they become a problem, and that's how to set due dates in Wrike step by step. Clear deadlines, keep projects moving, and teams aligned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.